Alright guys, so it's Wednesday. We are going to be working on Social Skills Reader, Almost Awful, pages 69 and 76. So let's look at your calendar, go to Wednesday, and come down to this square right here. Let's go and look in our packet for 69. So page 69, guys. Right here, Almost Awful. Mary is in a hurry to go somewhere. Where do you like to go? So here's our emotion dictionary. We have excited, which means having excited means having stranger feelings or more energy. Startled, which means suddenly surprised or frightened. Mad, which means angry. Relieved, which means feeling that worry or stress has been taken away. So let's read. I'm on my way out. I have got my purse and I'm all ready to go. I'm going to have dinner with my girlfriends. We have always had lots of fun. We have been planning this night for a month. How do I feel? Am I excited, disappointed, or am I scared? Good job. Oh no, I'm heading for the door when my foot hits something. I'm not expecting this. My purse falls off my shoulder. I try to grab the counter, but I'm too far away. I think I'm going to fall down. How do I feel? Satisfied, relieved, or startled? Awesome. Tripped on a shoe and down I go. It was a shoe that made me fall. My husband, Ted, always leaves his shoes lying around. I have told him 1,000,000 times that it is dangerous. This time he left his shoe in the doorway and I did not see it. Why can't he pick up his shoes? How do I feel? Do I feel happy? Do I feel mad? Or do I feel proud? Good job. Fixing myself up. I thought I was really hurt. I was scared. I would have to see a doctor. Luckily, I just scraped my knee. Once I have a bandage on it, I will be just fine. I'm going to the dinner party, not the hospital. How do I feel? Relieved? Annoyed? Or startled? Good job. So now we're going to connect the face to the feeling. We've been doing this for a while, guys, so just make sure you connect how they feel to excited, startled, mad, relieved, or proud. Why was Marie mad about shoes on the floor? Why was she mad, guys? Yes, because her husband Ted left it by the doorway. Two of these people feel mad. Can you find them? Once you're done, take a picture and submit it for a grade. Good luck.